Welcome to our journey into biomechanics. Have you ever wondered how scientists analyze the way we move, run, or even jump? Biomechanists are experts who study the mechanics of human movement. Their work covers a wide range of problems, from improving athletic performance to designing safer work environments and even developing better prosthetics. They might analyze how a basketball player jumps, how runner stride can be optimized, or how lifting techniques can reduce injury risk. By understanding the forces and motions involved in everyday and athletic activities, biomechanists help us move more efficiently and safely. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts they use, starting with the different forms of motion. Let's dive in and see how biomechanics shapes our understanding of human movement. Analyze movement. Biomechanists first classify the forms of motion. Linear motion, also called translation, occurs when all parts of the body move in the same direction at the same speed. This can be further divided into rectilinear motion, which is movement along a straight line, and curvilinear motion, which follows a curved path. On the other hand, angular motion involves rotation around an imaginary axis, such as when a gymnast swings on a bar or a leg rotates at the hip joint. Most human movements are actually a combination of both linear and angular motion, known as general motion. Understanding these forms is crucial for breaking down complex activities into simpler components, making it easier to analyze and improve them. Next, let's see how these concepts look in real-life examples. When biomechanists analyze movement, they must define the mechanical system, the specific body or body part to focus on. For example, if they're studying a basketball throw, they might analyze just the throwing arm, the ball, or even the entire body. In cycling, the system could be the legs, the trunk, or the whole cyclist and bike. Choosing the right system is essential for accurate analysis and meaningful results. This approach helps break down complex actions into manageable parts, allowing for detailed study and targeted improvements. By understanding which part of the body or object to analyze, biomechanists can provide insights that lead to better performance, injury prevention, and innovative designs in sports and healthcare. Let's wrap up by summarizing why these concepts matter.